Good morning to all of you present here. This is Srishti from grade 8. Today I got a chance to share my experience on the topic of a day at a beach. A day at a beach can be relaxing and fun experience. Enjoy the sun, sand and sea. Pay attention to the environment, leave no trace and have a safe time and enjoyable time. Pay attention to tide changes, currents and weather changes. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. This is Anushka of grade 7 going to present a speech on the topic of a day at the beach. A day at the beach.
Good morning everyone. What if I told you that the beach isn't just about the waves, the sun or the sand? What if it's hiding something more? We all love a day at beach, right? The waves, the laughter, unforgettable and powerful. But have you ever thought that the beach could be teaching us something important about life? Let's start from the waves. We see them crash against the shore. They rise, they fall again and again, but they never stop coming. And that's life for you. No matter how many setbacks we face, we must keep moving forward. Now let's look at the sand castles. Kids build them with care only for the waves to come and crash them away. Do they cry? Do they quit? No. They know that the building is temporary, but the joy of building it is worth it. Thank you.
जय हिंद बेटा आपका नाम क्या है आराध्या जय आपकी ओए उर्वशी किधर है अरे उर्वशी है किधर नहीं समझ में कुमारी उर्वशी
Good morning to one and all present here. This is Kumari Urvasi from Standard 8 and today I am standing here to deliver a short speech on the topic of the day at the beach. There is something magical about a day at the beach. The moment you arrive, you are welcomed by the sound of crashing waves and the salty breeze in the air. Whether you are building sand castles, playing beach volleyballs and just laying back on a towel with a good book, beach offers something for everyone. For me, it's a place to relax, unwind and forget about all the stress of the daily life. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
A very pleasant morning to one and all present here. I am Pratigya from Standard 8 and I am honored to be speaking with you all today. As we gather here this morning, I want to talk about a hilarious topic which is a day at a beach. A day at a beach is a day of pure bliss. The warmth of the sun, the sound of the waves and the softness of the sand create a world of their own. As I stood by the shore feeling the ocean breeze in my hair, I felt alive. The vastness of the ocean stretched out before me. A reminder of the infinite possibilities lie ahead. The beach is a place where worries disappear and memories are created. It's a place where the sound of the waves is like music to your ears and the smell of the salt water is like a refreshing balm to your soul. So come and experience it for yourself and take a deep breath and let the stress and worries of the world melt away. You never know that wonders a day at a beach might bring. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning. This is Ragini of grade 8 standing for you to talk on a day at the beach. The moment you arrive, there is something magical about a day at the beach. The moment you arrive, you are greeted by the rhythmic sound of the waves, the salty scent of the sea and the golden sand stretching as far as the eye can see. It is a place where worries are fade and joy takes over. So whenever you get the chances to go to the beach, feel the waves, enjoy the sunshine and make memories that will last forever. That's all for today. Thank you.
A very warm and pleasant evening to one all present over here. This is Prem Sita from Standard 8, currently studying CBSE Competitive School. Today I am going to take you journey to a day at a beach. Beach is a wonderful gift for our God, whom every human being, irrespective of ages, love to visiting and enjoy the atmosphere offered by beaches. Music penetrating the shores and building sand coastal and decorating them with kinds love visiting. They enjoy playing with the waves, sand and waves. The wise of a waves, it ends soils. And last, thanks for attention and have a nice day.
First of all, a pleasant morning to one and all present here. Myself, Madiha from Standard 8, and today I am present here to deliver a morning speech on the topic of a day at a beach. Last Sunday, my family and I went to a beach. It was bright and sunny day, perfect for a beach trip. A day at a beach is always full of fun, laughter, and memorable. When we reached the beach, I was so excited. We watched the beautiful sunset. I hope we again visit soon. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is Sadbhavna, student of grade 8. Today I am going to take you on a little trip, not with the tickets but with imagination. I am going to share a day at a beach. The golden sand of a beach and the waves whispers all the secrets, and wine carries life lesson. We often think a day at a beach is just about fun and relaxation, but if we look closely, we can see a beach is a silent teacher. Even though I have never been to a beach, I have always imagined it like a dream. The moment I step in the sand, it feels warm like a blanket, and waves whispers all the secrets in my ears. That's all for today. I am really thankful for your
First of all, a very good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, all my dear friends. Myself is Kajal Yadav, a standard 8. Today I am going to deliver morning speech on the topic of a day at the beach. A day at the beach so fun. There are full safe and smooth sand on the beach. There are with our friend. I like for many. There are coconut tree and a sky blue and smooth. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A very warm, pleasant and evening to all present here. This is Akanksha, standard 8, currently studies CBSE competitive school. Today we are going to discuss about a day at the beach. A day at the beach is so much fun. There are few soft and smooth sand on the beach. I like the sound of the waves. The coconut tree blue sky looks so beautiful. The sea breeze make us full fresh. We collected cups and snails. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Riya Kumari from class 8. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of a day at beach. A day at beach is a refreshing escape from daily routines. The sound of waves creating the warmth of the sand. Thank you.
First of all, a very sweet and delightful morning to one and all present here. This is Vaibhav Singh of grade 8 standing before you to share my views on the topic, a day at the beach. So before discussing about the topic, let us discuss about a simple question. Have any one of you ever thought, why do we frequently feel bored and tired during our working periods? Probably a few of you or none. This is only because of the long duration of studies and our continuous attention towards it, which makes us to feel tired and frantic, and is also very pernicious and lethal for our health. But what if the recess bell rings? We all become happy and refresh ourselves for the next classes. Similarly, when we take a break in our busy and officious life, then we get a time to bring down our busyness and get ahead for such thing which can provide us steady calmness and peace. And this thing is always possessed by our Mother Nature. She provides us each and everything, but in different scenes and depicts. One of them is the beach. A beach is a low-lying area between the ebb and fall of water, which is often dammed by the splashing sea waves, surrounded by the dense growth of coconut and date palms, and always under the wide open blue sky. A beach is an obvious destination to gaze the natural beauty, especially during the sunrise and sunset, to avoid the scorching sun. There are several beaches in India, such as ones in Mumbai, Goa, Madras, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Kandla, Kochi, Thiruvananthapuram, and many more. Here we can see mobs of people of different regions and religions who have just come here to enjoy the majestic mood of the beach by experiencing the chilly winds and cold water. And if by chance anyone becomes upset, then he has to remember that a number of ice cream parlors, snack corners and comic vendors are just waiting for those people. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principals and all my dear friends. I am Shubham Kumar from Standard 8. I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of a day at beach. As we step onto the shore, the gentle breeze carries on the shore. The beach offers chance to disconnect from the chores daily life and reconnect with nature. We can walk along the shoreline feeling warm sand beneath our feet. We sit and watch sunset. Thank you.
So first all of you, very good morning to all of you. I am Mozam from class 7 today. From class 7 8 today I go to chance experience on the topic of a day on a beach. So first all of you, what is beach? A beach is a very beautiful place in the near of ocean. We are going to beach in the last ocean of the last holiday in. Thank you.
A very warm pleasant morning to one and all present here. This is Swam from Standard 8. Today I discuss about on the topic of a day at beach. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about on a journey to place where the sun shines bright and wave crash against to the shore and salty air fills the lungs. A day at beach is not just for a simple outing. It is an experience for joy, peace and venture all rolled into one. The moment you arrive, you are greeted by a salting sea breeze. A day at beach offers more delights. A picnic under the shade and thrilling games of volleyball. A day at beach is not just for a day thrilling for a game. A day at beach is just for a visit to seasides. It is reconnect with the nature and relax to create unforgettable memories. Today in next time you have chance to relax and feel sand to the toes and watch footprint disappear. A day watch and listen to waves and embrace the day at beach. Today that's all. Thank you.
First of all, a very good morning to all of you. My name is Natik Kumar from Standard 8. Today my topic is a day at beach. The sun was shining bright as I stepped onto the sandy beach, feeling the warm grains and shifting beneath my feet. I spent morning swimming and playing in the waves, and me and my friends see beautiful sunset and later we play. We eat some snacks and cruising and my friends, and Today, sandy beach is the most common place we go to see, and thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Ayush Paswan from Standard 8. Today's my topic is a day at beach. A day at beach can relaxing and entertaining of the day. We were going to a summer vacation in a beach. We enjoy sand, sunset and water and sea current. We were going to our family, friends and etc. We going to beach to enjoy our life, and that's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Anant of grade 8. Today I want to share with us joy and relaxation of spending a day at beach. There's something magical about the combination of sun, sea and sand. As soon as we arrive, the sound of the waves crashing gently on the shore and salty breeze in the air instantly makes us feel calm and free. A day at beach is more than just swimming. It's about building sea castles, sand castles, collecting seashells, playing games with friends and family, or simply lying under the sun with a good book. The laughter, the cold splash of the water, and endless horizon remind us how simple life can be. Whether you are watching sunrise or staying until the stars come out. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you. Myself Jayesh Kumar from class 8, and today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of a day at beach. A day at beach, a day at the beach is more than just a getaway. That experience rejuvenate the soul. The waves striking against the shore, and the seagulls.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Amar Kumar Patel from class 8. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of a day at a beach. A day at a beach, it is very peaceful where in any own place where it is beautiful place in a day. A beach is
A very good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. Myself Satyam Rat from class 8. Today I am delivering a morning speech on the topic of a day at the beach. First of all, a day at the beach is also refreshing. A day at the beach, a coconut tree and blue sky, so much beautiful. A day at the beach going to summer season. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Alok Yadav, standard class 8. Today my topic is a day at beach. A day at beach on the sincerely experience activities and overall feeling of the relaxation and the joy it evokes. It can be the personal personalities of the beautiful of the nature and the importance of spending time with outdoors with loved ones. That's all. Thank you.
First of all, respected teachers and all my dear friends, my name is Zitan Ali from Standard 8. I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of a day at a beach. Spending a day at a beach is always exciting and refreshing experience. The golden sand, the cool wave and fresh breeze. It is a perfect place to relax and enjoy. When I reached the beach, I felt a sense of calmness as I heard the waves crashing against barefoot, walking in the soft sand. Was a wonderful feeling. The sunlight reflected beautiful on the water. So many people were many activities like swimming, basketing, badminton, anything. India was include very areas for beach, but very beautiful beach is a Goa. Is a wanted. It is a very other countries and the other countries for going trips for Goa. And you, India is MD sir requested summer vacation for going for Goa. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all my dear friends and respected teacher. Today I am here to say something about a day at a beach. Before visit the place, we must know about that place. And today our topic is also based on it. That is a day at a beach. On this sentence, beach is highlighted word, at which a spending time is just like a heaven. And just like a heaven. So before visit our place, we must know that how is that place, that is perfect for us or not. So I also got a chance to visit. So we must know about that place, that what is beach. It is a place which is peaceful on its own way. It is a place which where we can think something best. It is a place where we can think something best, and this place called beach. I also got a chance to visit the beach with my family, and I also it is a chance to relax and reconnected with nature. And when we keep our first step on the sand, then we feel that we all are entered in different world. Then the salty air is also fill our lungs, and wave of the water instantly soothe our mind. And there is many person playing, swimming, and many other action. Then we also do much of the enjoyment. That's all. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, myself Nishant Kumar. Today I want to talk about one of my favorite experience, a day at the beach. Imagine the sound of the wave crashing against the shore, the smell of the salty air, and the feeling of the warm sand between your toes. A day at the beach is a perfect way to relax and unwind. You can swim, sunbath, build sand castle, or simply sit back and enjoy scenery. For me, a day at a beach is a time to disconnect from the world and reconnect with the nature. It is a chance to clear my mind and recharge my batteries and refresh my mind. So pack your sunscreen, grab your towel and head to the beach to a fun and relaxation. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Good evening. Myself Pratyush Sirs, a 8th grade student. Today I am here to not only talk but also make you to feel an experience of a beach. A day at a beach is more than a leisure activity. It's an experience that rejuvenates our mind, body and soul. Imagine you are walking along the shoreline, feeling the soft sand beneath your feet and gentle ocean breeze in your hair. The sound of waves crashing against and making a soothing melody that calms your mind and washes away your worries. As we bask in the sun, our skins absorb vitamin D and boosting our mind and energy level. The salty air fills our lungs. And invigorating our senses and leaving us feeling refreshed. A day at the beach is not just only relaxation, it's also about adventure. We can swim, surf, or we can easily see the sunset with our loved ones. A day at a beach reminds us of the beauty and power of nature. It disconnects us from our busy lives and reconnects us from ourselves, our loved ones and world around us. So let's make a time to visit a beach and to soak up the sun, sand and sea. Let's make memories, relax and rejuvenate. If you have time, then you should to visit a beach, and thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, myself Shakil from class 8, and today my golden opportunity to share my thoughts about a day at beach. First of all, a day at beach are the sometimes for their beach. Our creativity for the beach are the refreshing and play with chess and other visitors. So as well as the visitors are showed at beach in their creativities. In this sometimes for your demand in this period. Thank you.
First of all, a very pleasant good morning to respected teacher, principal and all dear my friends. Myself Ankur Kumar from my standard 7th, and today I am here to share my thought on the topic of a day at beach. I spent a day at beach, one of the most relaxed and expensive day in my life. The wave of sea, the feel of the sand under our feet. I like the visit beach like Marina Beach, Goa Beach and other beaches. The beach feel the natures because the beach is very nearly to the beach nature, and the nature is also remember to beach because beach is also known as the nature's gifts because he is closely near the sea, and he get humans vitamin D and many other thinking which necessary for human beings, and human being is generally visit like to beach, and I also like to visit beach. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
A very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present here. This is Priyanshu from Standard 8, and today I am here to talk about something important which we all admire. A day at beach. A day at beach is a refreshing escape from the daily routine of the life. One sunny morning, I decided to visit a beach with my family. As we arrived, the gentle sound of waves and the salty breeze instantly lifted my spirit. And the golden sand stretched endlessly under my feet, and the ocean is shining under the sun. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good morning to all of you. Myself Shayans Kumar from class 8. Today my topic is a day at beach. Beach has a way of putting things into perspective, reminding us of the beach and many perspectives. A day at beach, knowing that memories of that day would stay with me forever. I drifted off to knowing the beach. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principals and my dear brothers and sisters. First of all, I am Manish Yadav from Standard 8. Today I am delivering a speech on the topic of a day at beach. This topic is very important for students because off and on it's come in our exam. Write to an essay. One of my favorite place of beach it is.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Divyanju Gupta from class 7. Today I may deliver a short speech on the topic of a day of beach. So first of all, what is a beach? A beach is a very beautiful place in the near of ocean. We are going to the beach in the last holiday, and we swim the beach in the water of ocean, and the feeling of sound of wave and very nice the ocean beach, and blowing of air is to touch heart and winds our heart, and so the last we enjoy the day of beach of Goa in friends and family. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
First of all, a very good morning to all of you respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Aman Misra, I stand at 8th. Today my topic is a day at the beach. A day of the beach. A day of the beach enjoyed by the beach, sand and water. Water sports my favorite place. Very good favorite place are they are called Goa. Goa is a thanks.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Ankit Yadav, I read in class 8. Today my topic is a day at a beach. A day at a beach is helping what it is spending just like a happen. We are because just a like happen. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, such as principal, teacher and all dear my friends. My name is Ganesh Kumar from class 8. Today my topic is a day at a beach. Beach is a beautiful place that I visit in 2 days. And the water surface are very beautiful. The visit heavenly to take the go and visit this nature and take down the nature future and bright our future and visit the 2 days 3 days in goodly. Beach are the beautiful place that are live into and 3 days. Thank you.
Good evening. Today I like to share about one of the best experience of my life, a day at a beach. It is truly magical about the beach. The moment when you step on the warm sand and feel the sun on your skin and hearing the best thing, rhythmic sounds of the waves. So it always seems to the fade like whether we can swim on the salty water and make sand castles, and the best lying under the umbrella with a great book. And the beach offer us a best escape from our daily routine. And the beach is not just place for relaxation. It is always all place to connecting the families together. The beach connect families together by we can go there for camping and we can also go with our friends, and this is the best thing for our life, and it reminds us the nature of the beauty. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to everyone. I am Syed Ansari and today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of a day at the beach. Last week my family and I decided to spend a relaxing day at the beach. As soon as we reached, I felt the cool breeze and heard the shooting sound of the wave. I felt the golden sun stretch provided and the sparkling of blue water looked inviting. I quickly took off my sandal and felt the warm sand beneath my feet and my sibling. I built sandcastle, collect seashell and run along the shore. The best part was the playing in the wave. Thank you.
First of all, a very good morning to all of you. My name is Sivan Parak from Standard 8 and I am here to share my experience on the topic of a day at beach. When I go to beach, I walk on the smooth sand and I enjoy there too much and I forget all my experiences and I have started my new relaxed experiences, and there I enjoy too much or I look many beautiful weathers, climates, etc. That's the thing.
If you have not ear, then you cannot hear. A day at the beach is always happier. Good morning, I am Arpit Kumar from Standard 8 and today our topic is a day at the beach. Imagine stepping onto soft, golden sand, feeling under warmth your feet. salty breeze brushes against your face. A rhythmic sound of waves is like nature's own melody. A day at the beach is more than a getaway. It is an experience which is full of joy and adventures. Some people enjoy in swimming in cold, and some of the people enjoy in playing something. Some people enjoy in under lying an umbrella which is soaking in the sun and which is only for their lives. When for adventurous ones, people play many games on sea beach like jet skiing, beach volleyball and others. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all principal, sir, teacher and dear my friend. I like to say about my name is Santu Kumar Kesri, class 8's topic. A day at beach is always refreshing and fun. Thus, the sound of waves scratching the salty breeze and warmth of sun create and perfect of relaxation. I love budding sand castle, sand.
Good morning everyone. Myself Siddharth Pathak from Standard 8. Today's my topic is a bit of beach. Today I want to take about this a beach of the beach air condition for manually in everything in air condition and every soil and air beach I want to take beach this. Thank you very much.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Yasir from class 8. Today's my topic is a day at a beach. It is a place where we can think something and so thank you.
First of all, I would like to say a very good morning to you and all present here. This is Nitish from Standard 8. Today, I am going to share my thought about a day at the beach. Going on a beach is always an exciting and joyful experience. When the golden ray of sun shine on the water and cold sea breeze touch the face, the heart fills with happiness. Last Sunday, I went to the beach with my family and friends. As soon as we reached there, we first enjoyed the sea wave. The moment I dipped my feet into the cold water, I felt a strange sense of peace and enjoy. Children were building sand castle and some people were playing football and volleyball. And others simply were sitting by the shore and enjoyed the serene atmosphere. We also had a variety of delicious food like roasted corn, coconut water and seafood, which was unforgettable. After that, we went for a boat ride and witnessed the breathtaking sunset. The sky was painted with shades of pink and orange, creating a beautiful reflection into the water. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Ivan Patel from Standard 8. Today I am here to deliver a short speech on the topic of a day at beach. Beach is a place where many people going and enjoying there. In this sentence, beach is a highlight word. Last Sunday I went to the zoo with my family. I went to the beach with my family. The surrounding nature of beach is very beautiful. The golden rays of sun fall in water. This time of view is very beautiful. That's it. Thank you.
First of all, very good morning to all of you. My name is Subham Kumar and I study in class 8. Today I will talk about a day at beach. A day at beach is always refreshing and fun together. A day at beach is always playing the sand and making the fort and house. It is a peaceful places